So the first thing to do is to open the glove box, and then on either side you'll see a little tag. Take a screwdriver, push it in that gap and push away from the dash into the glove box, and you will release the tag. You do that on both sides and you'll be able to open the glove box. Once you've opened it down, you'll see the cover for the pollen filter. There's a tab at the top on both sides. Just push the tab down and pull the cover towards you to open the pollen filter housing. Make a note of the airflow direction for the pollen filter, reinstall your new filter, and then reassemble everything in the reverse order.